Good morning, Gray. Hi, what happened to your bed? Hi. Aww. Good morning. Good morning, guys. Hi. Everybody's here. The boardwalk and the driveway still look wet, but as we found out last night, the roads really weren't. So I guess if I go slow enough until I get to the street, it'll be okay. Good morning, Sir Tuxalot. Hey, bud. Here comes Ruby. Hopefully she won't get too dirty. Are you having a rough morning? He's fine. He's just tired. I'm spinning circles around you. Hi. Hello. Let me get out without spilling your food. Good morning. Hi, Panther. Hi. It's looking pretty bright out there this morning. There goes Stripe on his morning front yard walkabout. 70 something today. Oh wow, there's the two hawks right there. Wow. Oh, there's 3 of them. Huh. Wow. The one guy's still up there. I don't know if you can see him or not, but he is still there. There were 3 of them. It's way too early for any eggs to have hatched. Mama red-shouldered hawks, or red-breasted, red-shouldered. Anyway, they're sitting on the nest right now. Their babies are not out and about. Neat. Hi, bud. Well, thank goodness it's Friday. And we get to sleep in again tomorrow. It's supposed to be rainy-ish tomorrow. Good morning, Ruby. There's the sun. Yay! We needed to detour back to the house. All my fault. So, take 2, heading downtown. Not worried about what time we're going to get there now. As you can see, it's more daylight. I really think I'm ready for autonomy. The number of people I see driving that cannot seem to stay centered in their lane is just amazing on a daily basis, and it's getting worse, it seems, all the time. So the quicker we can move to autonomy and not have to worry about that, probably the better. So yeah. We're hearing emergency vehicles, but there it is, an ambulance coming through the intersection. Okay. Well, I would say I'm very surprised, but we really did not run into slower traffic. And like I said, it really is pretty much a surprise, because usually on the way out of town, the inbound lanes on 401 are blocked off, are really full and busy and backed up for a long ways. And somehow I guess we didn't have that happen this morning. So that was quite convenient. Wow, in front up there over the trees, there's not 1, not 2, but 3 distinct cranes in the sky. I was thinking this morning, how many cranes are there that are up in downtown Raleigh? And I officially right this second can say 5, but I'm sure it's upwards of closer to 10. So I am headed to pick up Sam. I dropped Johnny off at 8:25 a.m. Sam got up early, thought I was coming at 8. No big deal. I let him know that I was running late this morning. And anyway, I'm headed to grab Sam now. We're gonna do the normal stuff and a haircut. by the guy's place where Johnny gets his done. They like that spot. Tesla service just sent me a reminder about Ruby's service appointment to fix the PTC heater. That's Monday at 8:15 a.m. Hopefully that means they have the part. Or if not, that wakes them up here in a while and they let me know I need to reschedule. When it pinged me, I thought, oh God, no, they're telling me I need to reschedule. Not that we've been so warm, it's not like I'm desperate to fix the heater, but I do want to fix the heater. So I read an article on TeslaModelXJourney last night about a magic dock being installed at a supercharger pedestal in New York. And the city started with the V, but I'm not sure exactly how to pronounce it or what the name of the city was. But at any point, the person that spotted the magic dock, and I guess they had a picture with the people there the electrician guys that had installed it, and they also had a picture of an R1T Rivian hooked up using it on the network. So exciting times, I thought. There were quite a few comments on the article where I was reading it of people. I guess someone had posted it to one of the Facebook groups also, although I had originally read it directly from TeslaModelXJourney, and you know, it was troubling to see some of the comments, and people really don't have a very good attitude about other cars charging on the supercharger network. Yeah, I don't know. I think it'll work out. People just, you know, have reasonable expectations, but I see so much unkindness and impatience every single day out here on the road that the fact that I guess I shouldn't be surprised by the stuff that was said on the Facebook post. But anyway, my take on it was how exciting, and really neat to see them rolling it out. And I'm just going to trust Tesla that they're going to roll it out in a manner that doesn't cause too much disruption for current Tesla owner supercharger users, and that, you know, also trust that if there is an issue that develops at a particular supercharger spot, that they will sort it out as quickly as possible. And just, you know, chill, folks, just chill. I guess I should have said that I did get Sam picked up, and hey, and we're back home now for a little bit. For the next part of the program is cat petting and coffee.
Well, it's not going to be a 4-minute commercial break, I hope.
No.
Okay.
Yeah, give that Marty cat some attention. Everybody wants attention all at once. Well, hi, Stripe. Hey, bud.
It is so nice to see
Hi, Marty. Let me set my stuff down. I'll be back. All right, coffee's made. It's tradition. That's one of those vanilla packets, and it's got pumpkin spice whipping cream on top and monk fruit and cream.
Wow. I just, at this point in my life, I have no ability to watch commercials.
They're talking TV shows and movies and film, and I was finishing up yesterday's edit. Sam's taking a drama class, film class at Wake Tech, and what were the two older movies you had to watch?
Sunset Boulevard and North by Northwest.
Okay, Mr. Dodd's been very excited to have someone besides me to talk to this morning.
Yeah. Yeah. Well,
and about a subject that he really likes, but Sam wants him to watch Better Call Saul.
right. Well, I watched Breaking Bad, and I want to watch
I wouldn't
Better Call
watch
Saul,
that
but-
for nothing.
But Mary Ann won't watch.
Better Call Saul better than Breaking Bad.
I might be willing to try it for you, Donnie.
Yeah.
But it's just, you know, given choices, it's not going to be at the top of my list. But for you, for you.
Thank you, sweetheart.
So this is the goodies that Michelle had handed me yesterday. This is for outside in one of my fairy garden pots for winter. And then she got me a robot pen. You know that was going to be popular. And a Chucky Lego minifigure and a Godzilla Lego minifigure. Well, they were at a horror convention. So way cool, way cool. I gotta have part of Michelle and her family at my house too. Everything to smile about when this is lunch.
Seriously. Good meal. Thank you.
He has chicken and I have steak and shrimp. There, the sun is very bright over here. We're keeping warm with the air conditioning freshly made right off the grill. All right, it's the first Keep Climbing On of the year. It's 74 out there in the car sitting in the sun. We've got 30 minutes at Guardian Angel. Just make a quick pass. I told Sam he doesn't have to worry. He enjoys going in with me, but you know, I was in yesterday, so I don't need to study every last square foot. I found a mermaid for Michelle. Well, we didn't buy too much at Guardian Angel. I got that mermaid for Michelle, and Sam picked out a shirt that he liked, and I got a set of flamingo salt and pepper shakers and bunny rabbit salt and pepper shakers. And I think that's all I got today. It wasn't a lot. And Sam is still with me. We're gonna pick up Johnny, and then I'll drop.
I'm the ghost of Sam. Sam passed.
Right. Well, Johnny will get it when I open up the trunk and the Falcon Wing instead of the, the front door for him. Lucky's lucky. This is a new Lenovo Chromebook. It's a 5i. Don watches Chrome Unboxed, and this is a stopgap computer until we pick out what he's going to take to college. Yeah, it's a 13-inch. It's a touchpad. It's got obviously a person-facing camera, and I think the keyboard's backlit too. Don always looks for a backlit keyboard. I like it. I guess I didn't realize it was the gray, space gray blue color, but it is. That's pretty cool too. Amazon has a good deal on it right now. It's an i3, but it's got 8 megabyte. We ain't messing with no 4 megabyte Chromebooks. You know what this view means. I just dropped Johnny off at Taekwondo. He'll be there until 7, and then either Don or I will go back and pick him up. We actually have a lot of leftovers tonight, so I think I'm heating up leftovers. We've got leftover pork loin roast. We've got leftover teriyaki shish kebabs. We've got leftover barbecued beef made out of chuck roast from last night. There's a lot of leftovers. So I really enjoyed my visit with Sam today. We dropped him off after picking up Johnny. I was just running a little short on doing things in the other direction. Sam first and then Johnny. But it's not that much longer to come home and drop Sam off on the way. So it really didn't matter. I've been working on the details for the first floor of my building. It's called the candy shop, so I guess I'm gonna call it that. I have a candy shop in my town, but we're just gonna call it the candy shop going forward. Ice cream, candy, cookie. I'm not sure it really looks like candy. It looks more like fancy cookies and ice cream to me from the decorations on the counter. But I'm working on that. I've only got it just a little bit more, and I'll be content to put it up for the night. I'll make one more pass. Stripe was in the house for a bit. Came in, ate a little bit, slept by the door, kept me company working on my Legos, and then was ready to go back out. He stayed in one time for about 4 hours sound asleep, but if he gets woke up, he typically likes to go back outside. And I was watching Solving the Money Problem while Don was napping about Elon's remarks at the Palo Alto Tesla engineering headquarters. Not their headquarters, as Stephen Mark Ryan pointed out, but the engineering headquarters. And based on the remarks and things, you really got to wonder how anyone in the state of California could not have an appreciation for Elon bringing the business, revenue, jobs to that state. You really got to wonder. Just enjoying all the Bradford pears. It's coming right along. There's 2 macaroni pieces and this macaroni piece that are on the way that need to be put in. There's this rail for the stair steps. I was missing the right color part. Had the part but not in the right color. And 5 barrels here. Otherwise, well, and of course the floor tiles. I have put in, because this is going to be dark green, I've put in spots for 3 minifigures to stand. I guess I forgot I should put a server behind the counter. I added the cash register and the money. It didn't call for that. It's super exciting and coming along nicely.